So hello everyone, right now I am create for this section. This section I am already create. So I am copy this title and go to for this Laravel, go to for home section and font page. Font page I am create for this section, type and display name show. Okay, section create and only two section select, and anything you select for background full width, background color white and text color black. And for this one fine, you can show for guest user or registration user not show, guest user only show. So select and create. I'm already create this section. See this section. For manage, click add new section, and for title any title, and for information add I am see this information I am already add this section title. And for all image section upload and hash section link, you can any put URL. So I am submit. Okay, already submit. See this view. So image not working, so I'm fix this problem. Okay, copy this section and full file copy. Banner 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, all banner copy, and go to edit function. This one for edit function. For enter, press the enter and paste the link and save change. Okay, and go to again this one for customization. Okay, go to back. This one for WordPress, this one for WordPress desktop. Okay, and for desktop. So I am already select for all image and update, edit, say all image already show. And right now I'm go to zip panel. This one for problem facing, I'm very soon fixing. So see this already show for message for error and for implement this section. So this section there I'm copy this link, copy and paste. Okay, save change and reload. See this already big one, one file section. Okay, I'm go to for this one, this one. Okay, this one for section for spread and everything. Go to this one, spread, spread for 30 and margin for 5 and column for 4 and this one for 4 and also this one for 4 and last one for sorry, column, this one for 3 and last one for 1.3. Okay, save change and go to home page. Already show this file, but a problem this one title for first one and also this one for background for white. And go to for home page setting and edit for function and text background color is white. Okay, update. So right now this one for background color white. I am for margin, this one for very big padding. So I'm go to edit option and for padding top for 2 em versus 0 and margin for 0, not margin need, only padding need. So go to there, see already padding create. So I'm this one I am for top up for this one, not big deal, just for click this one and this one. Okay, this one this one just type position absolute. See this, I am already created position absolute, and for top 0 z index and color white, and also padding for 1 em and width for 100%. See, 100% show. Copy this URL and go to there, and this one create for style. Copy this link and paste it, and also go to there, and for this one for 4. Okay, right now I'm create for this one, for this option create, and second option this one for title, main title, and create this one. Just copy and go to link and paste and save change, and go to home page and refresh. See, already implement this section. I hope like my video. You can like my videos and subscribe my channel.